In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Microsoft Planner. If you're trying to access your plans, tasks, or team projects, signing in to Microsoft Planner is a quick process once you know where to go. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic sign-in flow so you can get into your account smoothly and avoid any confusion along the way. To begin, go to Microsoft Planner in your web browser. You can do this by opening your preferred browser and navigating to the Microsoft Planner website. Make sure you're on the official Microsoft page so you're signing in securely and accessing the correct service. This is especially important if you're using Planner for work or school, since many organizations connect it to a Microsoft 365 account. Once the Microsoft Planner page loads, look for the Sign In button and click it. This will take you to Microsoft's secure login page. If you're already signed in to another Microsoft service in the same browser, Microsoft may try to recognize your account automatically. If that happens, just follow the prompts on screen to continue into Planner. If you're not already signed in, the next step is to enter your email address and password. Use the email associated with your Microsoft account, work account, or school account, depending on how your Planner access is set up. Then type in your password carefully and continue through the sign-in process. If your organization uses extra security, you may also be asked to complete a verification step, such as entering a code or approving a sign-in request on another device. As you enter your credentials, take a moment to double-check for typing mistakes, especially in the email addresses or password field. A small error can prevent access, so it helps to go slowly if the login isn't working the first time. If needed, you can also use Microsoft's password recovery options from the sign-in page if you can't remember your password. After your information is accepted, Microsoft Planner should open and take you into your dashboard, where you can view your existing plans and tasks. From there, you'll be ready to start managing projects, tracking assignments, or collaborating with your team. That's all it takes to sign in to Microsoft Planner. Follow those same steps anytime you need to access your account from a browser, and you should be able to get in quickly and securely.